Welcome back, everybody, and good health. Many of you may rely on caffeine, and any number of ways to get caffeine to get you going in the morning. It's a smaller amount in tea or the coffee pod, or many people feel they need the energy drinks in the morning, but it's not the best choice when it comes to your health, ingesting all that caffeine and pop and all the other energy drinks.
It tastes good, though.
It does. I drink black tea every morning, so
Yes.
I think I'm needing the caffeine boost.
And I usually have a cup of coffee in my new coffee mug right here. And our Sandra Ali, she gives us some alternatives that can actually give you the same boost.
With no caffeine.
If you count on that cup of coffee for a boost in the morning like I do, you may find this hard to believe, but experts say there are ways to get your daily jolt without the Joe.
We all know coffee can give us that extra push.
It does give you a huge jolt. So living without caffeine, at least in my world, it's a little hard, but it's not impossible.
What do you think?
I don't think so. I have to have my short blind. I don't know.
I do have like tea. Right now the coffee works for me, so I'm sticking to it.
But hang on, experts say there are caffeine-free ways to get energized quickly, faster than you can say tall extra hot latte, like chewing gum.
I'll chew gum. Chewing gum actually stimulates your mind because you're actually chewing and you're actually, distracting yourself to a certain extent, and that does help.
Chewing gum can increase blood flow to your brain and help you stay alert. Make sure to grab the minty stuff, though. It'll keep you alert longer. Another way is to simply eat breakfast. Whole grains at breakfast will give you a real energy boost. Just don't go overboard because that will backfire and leave you feeling sluggish. Give massaging your ears a try because all of your body's energy passes through your outer ear. Applying pressure to your ear may help invigorate your entire body. Simply pinch the rim of your inner ear between your thumb and pointer finger and rub.
There are certain pressure points on your body that if you massage or rub can actually enhance your alertness.
And if the light in your office or room is dim, change it. A brighter light will help keep you focused. Blue light will give you a calm alertness, while a red light bulb will give you an afternoon wake-up call.
If you're having trouble staying awake and you need to stay awake, brighten up those lights because that will actually impart some natural alertness.
If none of those tips work for you and all else fails, exercise. Exercise is proven to give you the boost you need while also burning calories, of course. They don't call it runner's high for nothing. Sandra Ali, Local 4.